Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will continue our topic on annuities. So let's see. Okay, so we will see the finding the term of an annuity. Okay, okay, formulas for S and A may be solved for N by the use of logarithm. So algebraically, there is usually no integer N such that S is equal to R S and A is equal to R A. Okay, it is necessary to make the concluding payment different from R in order to have equivalence. So we have two procedures. Okay, the first one is balloon payment and the second one is drop payment. Okay, apa bezanya? Okay, untuk prosedur yang pertama, selalunya the last regular payment is increased by a sum that will make the payment equivalent to the accumulated value S or the discounted value A. Ini maksudnya last payment tu lebih daripada regular payment yang dibuat. Ataupun prosedur yang kedua dipanggil sebagai drop payment. Okay, a smaller concluding payment is made one period after the last full payment. Maksudnya habiskan semua and then ada last payment, ada small value yang kita kena bayar untuk habiskan semualah untuk selesaikan hutang kita. Okay, tapi selalunya dia kata certain sum of money to be accumulated and then selalunya smaller concluding payment will not be required because the interest after the last full payment will equal or exceeded the balance needed. So kalau bila last payment tu okay dah campur dengan interest dah melebihi, so nanti kita akan dapat bakinya lah. Okay, ataupun dah memang last payment tu dah dapat pun okay dah campur dengan interest dah kira dah selesai semuanya, so tak perlu concluding payment. Okay, so next, a couple was to accumulate 10,000 by making payments of 800 at the end of each half year into an investment account that earns 9% compounded semi-annually. Calculate the number of full payments required and the size of the concluding payments using procedures 1 and 2. So let's see. Okay, kalau procedure 1 ni maksudnya yang last payment tu melebihi daripada yang sepatutnya lah. So, regular payment kita adalah 800. So 800 times S at angle 10 0 at I 0.045, okay, plus X is equal to 10,000. So nanti kita kira, masukkan dalam formula, so kita akan dapat X kita adalah 169.43. Okay, maksudnya last payment kita adalah 800 plus 169.43 equals to 969.43. Okay, for procedure 2, okay, for procedure 2, okay, we put 10 times of equal a regular payment, 800, and then we need to find at 11 payment how much money that we need to pay. So we 800 times S and angle N at 0.045 times 1.045 plus Y is equal to 10,000, and then we get Y is equal to negative 272.94. Okay, when you get the value, the negative value, it indicates that there is no concluding payment. Okay, maksudnya payment yang sampai ke payment yang ke-10 tu dah melebihi dah sebanyak 272.94 sen. So payment yang ke-11 itu tidak perlu. Okay. So we see next example, a man dies and leave his wife an estate of 5,000 ringgit. And the money is invested at 12% compounded monthly. Okay, how many monthly payments of 750 would the widow receive, and what would be the size of the concluding payment? So we have A is 50,000, R is 750, and our I is 1%. So 750, A at angle N at I is equal to 50,000. So we will get N is equal to 110.4 for 1. So where we get the N, so we put in the formula. Okay, substitute in the formula. So we use 750 as 110 0.01 times 1.01 plus Y is equal to 50,000 times 1.01 to the power of 111. So we get the value of Y is 308 and 30 cents. Okay. Next is finding the interest rate of an annuity. So, macam mana nak cari interest rate untuk annuity, kita boleh guna cara in linear interpolation. So, to obtain the starting value to solve equation as an angle n and I is equal to k by linear interpolation, we may use the formula I is equal to k over n square minus 1 over k. Okay. To obtain a starting value to solve the A and angle N and I is equal to K, we may use the formula I is equal to 1 minus K over N to the power of 2 over K. Okay, so for example, okay, determine the interest rate at which deposit of 275 at the end of every 3 months accumulate to 5,000 in 4 years. So we have S is 5,000, R is 275, and our N is 16. So we get S 275 as 16, and I we have 5,000. So S is at 16 and I is equal to 18.1818. Okay, so ini adalah value K kita. Okay, bila kita dapat value K kita ni, okay, kita masukkan dalam formula yang ada kita sebutkan tadi, yang I is equal to K over N square minus 1, okay, over K. So kita akan dapat kita punya value of I. Okay, untuk case D, bila awak dapat value tu, awak kena darabkan dengan 4 kerana okay, dalam soalan ada disebutkan every 3 months. So maksudnya itu adalah secara quarterly. Okay, next we have general annuity. So general annuity is a series of payments that are made more or less frequently than interest is compounded. Okay, so maksudnya dia buat payment sama ada lebih ataupun kurang daripada interest compounded. So caranya adalah dengan okay, kita replace the given interest rate dengan mencari equivalent rate. So, for example, Zaki make deposit of 100 at the end of every month into an account earning 9% compounded semi-annually. So, dia bayar 100 setiap bulan, tapi interest yang dia peroleh adalah sebanyak 9% tu adalah secara setiap 6 bulan. So, determine the value of her account at the end of 6 years. So, awak kena cari equivalent rate untuk case D. Sebab dia bayar setiap bulan, so kita kena cari interest yang untuk setiap bulan tersebut. So, kita dapatlah 1 plus I to the power of 12 is equal to 1.045 to the power of 2. So, I is equal to 0.007363123. And then, bila dah dapat value I yang baru tu, barulah kita boleh cari dia kata determine the value of her account at the end of 6 years. So kita dapatlah S kita adalah 100, S 72 at I, so we have 9450.9 cent, 90 cent. Okay, for next example, you can see that okay, a contract calls for payment of 300 ringgit at the end of every 3 months period for 5 years and additional payment of 2000 at the end of 5 years. What is the present worth of the contract at 6% compounded monthly? So, kat sini kita ada, dia adalah 0.06 tu kena bahagikan dengan 12. Okay, tapi payment adalah every 3 months. So, adalah secara quarterly. So, kita dapat I kita. And then dia kata, what is the present worth? Okay, bila nak cari, dia kata present worth tu ada, maksudnya nak cari discounted value. So, this is, okay, you will get the, okay, so we have 300, okay, 300 times A at angle 20 at I plus 2000 times 1 plus I to the power of negative 20. Okay, kenapa to the power of negative 20 tu? Sebab 2000 tu dibayar dekat hujung tahun yang kelima. So, awak akan dapatlah nilai akhirnya 6,629.52 sen. Okay, so dalam kes yang sama, what equal payments for 10 years? Okay, dia nak cari R pula. So, caranya sama. Cari equivalent rate kita. Okay, bila kita dapat equivalent rate, okay, kita masukkan dalam formula dan kita akan dapatlah R kita. Okay. Okay, so next we go to perpetuity. Perpetuity ni is dia kata annuity whose payment begin on a fixed date and continue forever because it has no fixed maturity date. Kalau awak baca senario ni berikan di bawah tu, okay, a man who invests 10,000 ringgit at 10% compounded semi-annually keeps the original investment intact and collects 500 interest at the end of each half year. So dia kata as long as the interest rate does not change and the original principal of 10,000 ringgit is kept intact, the interest of 500 ringgit can be collected forever. So maksudnya kat sini dia dia buat investment 10,000 tu satu kali je, tapi dia punya interest yang dia terima tu 500 tu setiap 6 bulan dia akan dapat 500 dan continue forever. So ordinary simple perpetuity is a lump sum is invested and a series of level periodic payments are made with the first payment made at the end of the first interest period and payments continuing forever. So kita boleh cari discounted value. Okay, so A is equal to R over I. Okay. For example, how much money is needed to establish a scholarship fund paying scholarship of 1,000 ringgit each half year if the endowment can be invested at 10% compounded semi-annually, and if the first scholarship will be provided, okay, the first one is half year from now, B immediately, C 4 years from now. Okay, so okay, untuk senario yang pertama, I is equal to 0.05, so our A is 1,000 divided by 0.05. So half year from now we can get 20,000. Okay, tapi kalau immediately, dia kata we have a perpetuity due since the first payment is due at the time of the lump sum deposit is made. So we have 1,000 plus 1,000 over 0.05. So we get 21,000. Okay, if 4 years from now, it means that it has deferred period about 7.5 years. Okay, so 1,000 divided by 0.05, so times 1.05 to the power of -7. So the money that the first scholarship provided is 14,213 and 63 cents. Okay. Untuk contoh yang lebih mudah, okay, example 20, ini lebih mudah sebenarnya. Okay, a company is expected to pay 90 cent every 3 months on a share of its preferred stock. What should a share of the stock be selling for if the money is worth 6% compounded quarterly and 8% compounded quarterly? So we need to find our A. Okay. The first one is 0.9 divided by 0.015. Okay, mana kita dapat 0.015 tu? Itu adalah daripada 6%. Okay, 6% yang compounded quarterly ni, you need to divide by 4. Okay, then we get 60 ringgit. And then the second one, okay, 90 cent divided by 0.02. So we get 45 ringgit. Okay. Situasi yang sama tapi dia kata 6% compounded monthly and then 6% compounded annually. So kalau kes yang macam ni, you need to find the equivalent rate lah. Sebab dia bayar adalah setiap 3 bulan. So you need to find equivalent rate untuk setiap 3 bulan. So bila kita dapat, okay, jawapan untuk A adalah 59 ringgit and 70 sen, and then B is 61 ringgit and 33 cents. Okay, so I think that, okay, you can go through back, okay, how to find the term of annuity, and then, okay, what is the probability, and then okay, go through one by one example and to make you very clear about annuity. Okay, so I think that's all for this topic. Thank you.